The 1960s was a decade steeped in change, a simmering cauldron of social, political, and cultural upheaval. In the United States, a new generation, disillusioned with the conventions of the past, began to question the status quo. This was the birth of the counterculture movement. In the heart of California, in the vibrant city of San Francisco, a rebellious spirit was brewing. Haight-Ashbury, a once quiet neighborhood, transformed into a vibrant hub, pulsating with the beat of rock and roll, the aroma of incense, and the cries of revolution. The youth, often referred to as hippies, rejected the consumerism, materialism, and conformity that characterized post-war America. They sought a new way of living, a life of peace, love, and freedom. The Haight-Ashbury district became a Mecca for this counterculture, a beacon of hope for the disillusioned. The crisis came when the ideals of the counterculture clashed with the realities of the world. Vietnam War protests, civil rights marches, and the struggle for women's liberation filled the streets. The youth, once filled with hope and idealism, began to question their ability to bring about real change. In response, the counterculture took action. The beat poets used their words to challenge society, while musicians like the Beatles and Jimi Hendrix crafted anthems of rebellion. Artists like Andy Warhol and Bob Dylan used their work to reflect and critique the turbulent times. The counterculture also sought to create alternative communities, establishing communes and intentional living spaces. The Farm, Drop City, and the Diggers Free Store in San Francisco were just a few examples of these utopian experiments. However, the consequences of the counterculture movement were not without controversy. Critics argued that the counterculture was self-indulgent and hedonistic, distracting from the real issues at hand. Others saw it as a threat to societal norms and values. Regardless of the criticism, the counterculture movement of the 1960s left an indelible mark on American history. It challenged the status quo, sparked a cultural revolution, and forever altered the fabric of society. The legacy of the counterculture lives on, a testament to the power of youth, idealism, and rebellion. In the end, the counterculture of the 1960s was more than just a moment in time. It was a symphony of rebellion, a collective cry for change, and a reminder that the spirit of revolution lives on.